There are so many people that wanted to start a business to earn income for free. I invested in an amazing business opportunity, and I invested $500 up front. But I've worked hard, and many have, and we have our investment back. It came in the mail right here. So for those of you that are scared, or you think it's a scam, or you're wanting to start a business for free, comment below and I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. Now here's the push. You only have a few days left. November 18th at midnight, cut off. But there are people that are joining this opportunity and getting everything they need in place to earn their investment back. So here's your opportunity for those of you that are like, oh my God, it's a scam. I don't have any money. I want to do a business for free. Here's your opportunity.